It's been a long day. Jack is here, and he's not alone. And there's still a sign that pets aren't allowed. Whoa! Whoops. Oh, wait, guys, I have a super clever idea. I just need this, and we'll be right back. Wow, Jack! Good morning, sir. Good evening. Everything is under control. Awkward. You look very busy, so please lead the prisoner to his cell. Oh, dear. Wait! Hey! What are you doing? Nothing, just playing. Everything seems okay. Maybe it was just a dream. He didn't notice. Come here, sir. You take him and I'm out of here. Looks like it's kinda hot in here. Hey! Do you have any pets? No, no pets. We have rules here. I have to scan you. Stay still. What's that smell? I don't know. Maybe I'm just sweating a bit. It smells suspicious. Please go over there. Is this good? Remove some layers. Oh dear. Huh? I want to see what's in there. Good? Pants too? Now! What? What did he see on the monitor? Oh! I knew it! Oh, Jack was hiding pets under his clothes! Poor Jack! Every pet will be confiscated now! I'm so sorry, sir. Out! I can't even. Those people. Who is the tough cop?
Excuse me?
Yeah?
I came to visit my friend and brought her a flower.
It doesn't have a smell. Wait, why is it plastic?
So that it will bloom for her forever!
Aw, that's so nice. Go on.
Ava is very pleased to see her friend. She even brought her flowers. I am so happy because it's so dull in here. Wait a minute, is that a sponge? And the dirt is actually dry powder? Wow! Thank you, Mia!
Hello. Any makeup? No. Huh? Hey, stop! What brings you here?
I came to teach prisoners English.
You look very suspicious.
Me? He is the one that looks suspicious.
No. Let's scan you.
It's showing makeup! But she doesn't seem to be carrying any. Maybe it's broken. Try it on him.
Good idea.
Wow, the scanner is going crazy!
You! Hands up! Show me what's inside your blazer. Okay.
Wow, well that's a lot of makeup! Mia was right about him. And now that the policeman is distracted, she is sneaking inside. It's me! Hello, Mia! Mia hid eyeshadows inside the book. And brushes on her glasses. Wow, that's so clever!
Here comes the Canine unit. Get ready for a real food hunt now. Is it Charlotte? Did she dress as a police officer? Whoa!
Hey, wake up, maggot!
Who are you? Why did you come here?
What? You haven't seen a girl in uniform? Now I'm going to take control because you're sleeping all day. Let's see how well you're doing your job. All right, Hunter, take a smell of this.
Oh no! Hunter picked some kind of smell coming right from the officer! Hey, doggy! Calm down! It's alright! Get away from me! Please don't bite me! Alright, you can have it! Here you go!
Yes, I knew it! You see, I see everything. Hey, Madison! Hey, Muffin, good to see you! Muffin has some candy for you. Look, it's all yours. Oh, wow, you got me some candy! This is amazing! Thanks, Muffin and Charlotte.
I don't feel so good. Stop right there! Do you have anything illegal?
What? I can't hear you.
Do you have anything
What?
illegal, like junk food or candy?
Those? Oh, couldn't possibly have those. Don't be silly, officer.
What's there under your hoodie?
I'm just very fat.
Okay, let me check. Oops. Okay. Come on, then. Jump in one place. I don't have much energy to argue here.
Okay, I can do a couple of jumps. Hop, hop, hop. Oh, this is bad.
All right, pick everything up. Come over here.
Yuck, this is disgusting. Here, take this mask.
Oh, thank you. Let me have it.
Hold on a minute. He's sick, and I can have, I know, bingo. I have to run.
Oh, man. I don't think I'm getting out of this alive. Stop right there. What are you doing here?
Well, I'm a doctor. I came to test the prisoners for the virus.
A virus?
Yeah, that's the order, bye.
Wait a minute. Come here. I'm sick. I need some help.
Okay, let me check. Here you go. This is your medicine. Take it and use it. You should be fine.
Oh no! I hate doctors! Leave me alone!
No, it's me, Charlotte. Oh, it's you. Here you go. There's some candy here. There's candy. Take it. Some more in a bag. Pretend that this is your medicine.
Of course! You're the best! Hey! No pets! Oh, sir, I don't have any. Oh, then get to work. Hey, you didn't have to be here yet. What is going on? We only have one worker in this building. Someone is lying. I'll check you both. Oh no! Madison's disguise will be uncovered. Hey, officer, what's moving in there? A mouse! You said you have no pets. Sir, it's not what it looks like. While these two are arguing, it's the best time to sneak into prison.
Hey, come here.
What do you want, sir?
Dummy, it's me.
Madison! Oh, cool mustache. I brought you your kitty, Sweetie. Oh my God! I missed you so much. Flowers. La la la. Hey, no dogs are allowed. You're not carrying any in that basket, are you? Nope. I want to see what's in there. I am an officer. I have a right to know. No, please, no. Whoops. Oh no! My beautiful flowers. What have you done? He likes flowers? Oh, I know. Hey there! Flowers? Is it for me?
No, sir, it's for the prisoner.
Wait, why are these flowers making strange sounds? Madison, what is this? Pepper spray? Oh dear, maybe I'm allergic to flowers or something. Maybe I can go now before it makes your allergies worse. Yes? Wonderful! Anthony! Oh, you shouldn't. No, Anthony, look, see? It's Brownie and Fluffy! You're mice! So the flowers were just a disguise to sneak these two little cuties into prison! Anthony, you have the most clever friends. Mia just noticed that no makeup is allowed, and she brought some self-tanner with her. The policeman still hasn't noticed you. Quick, think of something! Huh? What are you doing here? Nothing. I've got an idea. Mia is pretending to be a janitor! Hey, stop! Did he recognize her? Wait, can you take this? It's not like I'm going to use it. Yeah, sure. Please, proceed. Well, that was unexpected. Oh, hi! I disguised myself and brought you something.
Really? What is it?
A bag of makeup and a spray self-tanner. Come closer. What's wrong, Mia? Oops! What? They forgot about the prison bars! And now Ava has a striped tan! Feeling sleepy, huh? Hey, stop! What a hairstyle! Looks like a giant key! Do you want some cocoa? No, that's for kids. Let's scan you. Nothing prohibited, huh? She's good to go, right? Go on. Wait! Give me that cocoa! She gave it away too easily. Are you planning something? Only for kids, you say? What happened? Mia knew he liked cocoa, so she put some sleeping pills inside. Hey, come quick! the gate with her hair! Yes, finally! Freedom! I'm getting back all of the makeup! Ha-ha!
Hey, stop right there.
Oh, okay.
Do you have anything on you?
No, I don't.
Turn around. Let me scan you. What's in there? Show me. Nothing, you say? Food is not allowed here.
No, give it back to me. It's mine.
Stop resisting, young lady.
Oh no! All the food exploded! What is this? Food? Jackpot!
Well, this turned out better than I could ever imagine. Now get out of here.
Seems Charlotte lost everything she tried to sneak in.
Oh hey, maybe I can get my candy
Don't be
back?
silly.
Please?
I said no. That means no. That's right.
Oh, I have an idea! Look, there's a spider!
Oh no, a spider!
Ah! Perfect! Time for plan B.
Hello? Who are you?
I'm a new janitor.
Do you have any candy with you? You know this is a no-food zone.
Food? Absolutely no.
You look very familiar to me. Do I know you?
Well, I'm new here. I'm not sure we've met.
Okay, can you help me clean the desk?
Oh, of course. Let me help you.
Oh, thanks!
Phew, that was close. There you go. Your desk is like new now. And your hat. Thanks, bye.
Wait, what? My hands are stuck! And my legs! Why is everything even stickier?
What the? Charlotte, is that you?
Hello, yes, it's me. Look what I've got for you.
No way! You hid the candy in the mop! This is amazing! I can't believe you did that! Oh my gosh, this smells so good!
Here, take this bucket. It's soda.
No way, really? Okay, give it to me!
Delicious. Quick, take the bucket and I'm out of here.
Thanks, girl!
Okay, time to go.